Does your computer have a virus? Is it running slow? Well, stop by USA Computer Store, where we have the best Dell and HP repair specialists. USA Computer Store is having an incredible sale this week, where you can get a $55 PC repair, desktop PCs with Intel Pentium 4 processors at $85, name brand laptops like Dell and HP, and many more for $199. Motherboard repairs, computer memory upgrades, complete computer setups starting at $155. We also do wireless business or home setups, virus removal, PC tune-up, software installation, laptop repair, blue screen, and much more, starting at $25. Not only that, we also fix cell phones. Now you can call my friend Tony at 954-580-7843 or visit the website usacomputerstore.com. We're located at 4820 Northeast 12th Avenue, Fort Lauderdale, located on Commercial Boulevard, 1 block east of Dixie Highway. For information, call 954-580-7843.